Whakatau mai rā te ātāmira teitei o te hunga whakairo me te hunga toko whakairo he whakatau mai rā he.
Tēnā rā koutou Ngāi Tahu, kei konei Māori ki a kōrero atu ki a koutou, mō tā mātou Kereru ki te Krauna o te Wai Māori. Nō reira, me whakamārama i tēnei kōrero Ngāi Tahu. Greetings. Lizzie and I are here today to talk to you about the claim that we've filed before the High Court on Friday, 27th of October. And that claim, and that statement of claim is Wai Māori and our claim to fresh water. So the tribe has taken action before the claim because if you know our tribe, if you know our heart, it's on the land and it's with our mahinga kai. There's something that defines us as Ngāi Tahu, and that's our relationship with the awa, our mahinga kai, the mountains, the land, the waters, and that's who we are. So we know the water's under threat, our fisheries are under threat, our mahinga kai is disappearing, and really if we leave this too much longer, we're going to have a generation that don't know their ancestors, and our ancestors live on the land. So we have no option other than to file with the courts. We're taking action against the Crown because if you go through our landscape, the waters have just been destroyed. If you go to Temuka, South Canterbury, they can't pick watercress out of the creeks that they've grown up on. The same in North Canterbury, Tuahiwi, but this is the same right throughout the island. Now, Christmas is coming, the summertime period is coming. You'll get notices that you can't take dogs and animals to the water or to the waterways to drink. But more importantly, I know there's a whole generation of our people, particularly our rangatahi, who don't know what it's like to swim in our rivers. And I think we have an obligation and duty there to that generation coming through. So this is a claim about rangatiratanga to the land and to the water. Now, when we settled in 1998, the settlement was quite clear that the Crown recognised our rangatiratanga. We have an obligation to you, actually to our ancestors, to the future generations to come, to make sure that's secured for yourselves and for our generations that come. So the question of mandate has been asked. Really the mandate is from our ancestors, is based on custom and tikanga. It's as simple as that. And on that basis it sits with our upoko, our kaumātua, and our rangatira throughout the island who have jointly signed the statement of claim before the Crown. And on that end, our Rūnanga are involved as well, because they are the administrative mechanisms for the tribe. So the second plaintiff is Lisa Tūmahai, is Kai Whakahaere of Te Rūnanga o Ngāi Tahu, representing all of our Rūnanga. The kaumātua and upoko represent the hapu and our customs. But this has been ongoing really since our ancestors through to the present. And this is unfinished business since the settlement of the Ngāi Tahu claim. Finally, what this is really about, it's about Wai Māori, it's about the environment, it's about caring for Papatuanuku, but it's also about our rangatiratanga and that we're not here to be assimilated by Crown policy.
Nō reira ka heke iho ngā roimata mai tō maunga tapu auraki e. Ka rere atu ki te wai, ki te awa o Waitaki e. Ka whāngai atu ki tō tātou nei iwi. Kia ora ai, tātou katoa. Tēnā tātou.